Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to point a domain name registered on Hostinger to another account on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to domains. And next to the domain name that you want to point to another hosting on Hostinger, click on manage. Then click on DNS/name servers, and below name servers click on change name servers. As you see, the current ones are connecting to Bluehost, and to change them to another Hostinger account. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. To another Hostinger account, select use Hostinger name servers, and as you see, instead of Bluehost, they will start you click on save. They will start using Hostinger name servers, which are those two. Name servers changed successfully, and this name server change may take up to 24 hours in order to fully propagate all over the internet. This means that you need to be patient after this change. Sometimes it takes only 10 minutes, sometimes almost instantly, and sometimes it takes hours. So try accessing your domain name on your browser, keep refreshing. You can verify or check your if your domain fully connected from a different device, for example your smartphone, using a different internet provider. And just be patient, apply this video step by step, and everything will be okay. And this is how to point a domain name registered on Hostinger to another hosting on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.